Title: The Reward of Hard Work. In a small village, there lived a boy named Ramesh. He was very poor, but he was hardworking in his studies. Every morning, he worked in the fields, and in the evening, he went to school. His friends often said, "What will you get by working so hard?" Ramesh smiled and said, "Hard work is never wasted." One day, an exam was held in the village. Ramesh gave the exam with full dedication. After a few days, the result came. Ramesh got first position in the whole village. There were tears of joy in his parents' eyes. The villagers understood that success always comes from hard work and patience. Moral: a hard-working person never loses.